As chairman of the Guilford County Budget Committee, I led the board in navigating the complexities of the nearly $600 million 2013 budget. I have proven that I can and will move swiftly to garner bipartisan support to reduce spending, mitigate debt growth, cut taxes, and increase education funding, while finding more efficient and effective ways to provide necessary services for the citizens of Guilford County and our region. As a financial advisor for more than 28 years, I've gained in-depth knowledge of financial and economic issues that helped me guide the Guilford County Board of Commissioners in crafting solutions to complex county and regional concerns. I currently serve on the Greensboro Partnership Economic Development Advisory Committee and as a liaison to the Board of County Commissioners for Downtown Greensboro Incorporated. As a result, I have a finger on the pulse of the challenges and opportunities in and around economic development initiatives throughout our region. In addition to chairing the Guilford County Budget Committee, I served on the Guilford County Board of Commissioners Tax Committee and Education Committee, which again provides me keen insight into the financial and educational priorities that drive our local and regional economies.